Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're looking to automate actions in Slack, this video is for you, and this video will show you how to connect your Slack with n8n. So for that, just enter your workflow, then press on this plus icon. This is going to be a choice for us to choose the node. So now just type in Slack. Okay, choose Slack, it's at the very top, and now choose your action depending on what you want to do first. I'll choose random one, archive a channel. Then under the credentials to connect with, create new credential, and then choose connect my account. All right, now of course make sure to log in with your Slack. So after that, just basically insert your workspace, or just pretty much go to their website and log in. It should pick up your account. After that, just press on continue. You will basically approve the permissions for n8n to use your Slack and manage your Slack. Create stuff, delete stuff, edit things and stuff like that, and then you will get a green button that will say connected to your account, and this will basically be done like this. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to support us by giving this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.